Dang, dude. What the heck are you struggling for?
I'm trying to find the top of this stupid thing. I can't get it to open up. Fucking poles. I don't know why you're complaining so much. You should just get rid of that piece of junk blind. Get you a TIDEWE blind. As you can see, I can set this up single man. Just pop my side out. Put my other side down. It stands up on its own. Just gotta hit all four corners. So you can see, that took me 30 seconds. And then finish her off, I just gotta go inside and pop the top. As you can see, that was a really easy, simple setup. This blind honestly is really impressive for what it is and its price point. I've been in a lot of blinds before. A lot of them are super hot. They're, I don't know, just uncomfortable. This one, as you can see, your visibility is fantastic out of it. The blind offers a 270-degree field of view. So if we're sitting here, we can watch a deer walk down any one of these corners. It holds 2 of us in here. You could probably fit 3 people in here, 4 if you have kids or something. It's pretty spacious. One thing I like the most is instead of clips, these just drop down. They're on little rails here, and you can just go up and down. So if I'm bow hunting, I can just slide it, and it lets some more airflow in. So if you get hot, you can kind of crack it. So that's a super cool feature. The material feels really durable. I was not really sure what to expect, to be honest, but I really like it. If I'm in here bow hunting and say I have a deer come down in this field, I can just pop, and I have plenty through that slit right there. I have plenty where I could draw and get a good shot on a deer. So overall, this is a really solid blind. So as you can see right now, the concealment on this is phenomenal. I'm in here, I'm moving, waving my hands, and I'm pretty sure you can't see me. Jordan, can you see me doing this?
Negative.
So I'm in here going crazy. So if you're hunting with kids and stuff and they're moving around all the time, I'm shuffling around, you can't see me. But look at this. I pop open these, and I didn't touch on it in the last segment, but these things are so quiet. But look at that. You can see me. Now you can't. So I think that's probably one of the best features in the camo pattern. They really nailed it. It blends in so well with the background. So another sick feature about this blind is it has these little loops right here. If you ever go duck hunting, you know how important it is to dress up your layout or your pop-up blind. Kind of the same principle with this. So if you really want to blend it in with that foliage in the area you're hunting, you can take little trimmers, trim off little branches, stick them in here, and it goes all the way around. So that way you can actually blend in with your environment better than just the camo alone. All right, so when you're done hunting with it, if you're changing spots or you're just not happy with your placement, it's as easy to put down as it is to take up. So I'm gonna start top, side, other side, other side, other side. Break it down. You gotta break the corners in because it sticks up. And it just folds over. And I was getting hung up there. It's just these pucks on the bottom that hold it to the ground. But yeah, got it all good to go. And then take my bag. And I do like, it's kind of something stupid to hit on, but they leave a really good opening on the bag. The bag is larger than the blind itself, whereas a lot of times you get like camping chairs and stuff, I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about, where you're struggling to make it fit. And just slide it in. Slide my bag up and over. Zip it up and I'm ready to go. On to the next spot. So all in all, I think this blind is fantastic. Like I said in the beginning, it's a TIDEWE blind. We do have a product link in the description below. Go ahead and hit TOO18 for an 18% special discount on anything TIDEWE. But yeah, I highly recommend this blind. I'm thoroughly impressed and surprised on the quality. Like I said, it has that 270-degree field of vision. You saw me set it up, take it down by myself. It's quiet. I was going bananas inside of it. And concealment's amazing. So yeah, for the price point, I would definitely recommend this blind. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless. Found it.
Dude, why are you still setting yours up? I literally just did a full setup by myself, did a video review and takedown for the time it's taking you to put this thing up.
You're right. Screw this, I'm getting another one.